Imagine this. You're standing outside a bank. You need an account urgently. Maybe to receive salary. Maybe to start freelancing. Maybe to finally begin your online earning journey. But then they ask for minimum balance, documents, charges. And suddenly, you feel like banking is only for people who already have money. But what if I told you? Right now, thousands of people are opening zero-balance bank accounts online. Without visiting a branch. Without keeping money in the account. And some of them are using it to completely change their financial life. And the craziest part? Most people still don't know how easy it has become. A few months ago, there was a guy named Alex. He was broke. No job. No savings. And every time he tried to start something online, he hit the same wall. No bank account linked. He wanted to do freelancing. He wanted to receive payments. He even tried selling digital products online. But no account. No opportunity. One day, while scrolling late at night, he found a video about zero-balance bank accounts. At first, he didn't believe it. Why would a bank let me open an account with no money? But curiosity changed everything. The next morning, he downloaded a banking app, completed a few simple steps, verified his identity, and within minutes, he had his first bank account. No branch. No waiting line. No hidden pressure to deposit money. And that one small decision changed his confidence completely. Because sometimes, success doesn't start with money. It starts with access. Now listen carefully. Because this is where most people make mistakes. Opening a zero-balance account online is easy. But opening the right one matters. Some banks advertise zero balance, but later they add charges, penalties, or restrictions. So before opening any account, always check these things carefully. First, look for a trusted bank with a strong mobile app. Because your phone becomes your bank now. You want fast transfers? Easy UPI or digital payments. Online support. And security. Second, check the account benefits. Some zero-balance accounts give free debit cards. Some give cash back. Some allow international payments. Some are perfect for students or freelancers. Don't just open the first account you see. Choose the one that matches your future goals. Third, always read the hidden conditions. This is important. Sometimes an account says zero balance, but only for students. Or only for the first year. Or only if you complete monthly transactions. Never skip the details. Now let me tell you something even more important. A bank account is not just a place to keep money anymore. Today, your bank account is your identity in the digital world. Want to start YouTube? You need a bank account. Want to earn from freelancing? You need a bank account. Want to receive online payments? Same thing. Even small businesses today start with just a phone and a bank account. That's why this matters more than people realize. And honestly, many people stay financially stuck not because they are lazy, but because they never take the first simple step. They keep waiting for the perfect time. But the perfect time never comes. Think about it. The person who starts learning today. The person who opens that account today. The person who takes action today. Will always be ahead of the person who only keeps watching motivational videos. And maybe that person could be you. Imagine 1 year from now. You could still be scrolling through videos, wishing life would change. Or you could look back and say, that small decision was the beginning of everything. Because every online income story, every business journey, every financial comeback, starts with one simple move. Taking action. So if you've been delaying it, if you've been thinking you need a lot of money to start, you don't. You just need to begin. Open the account. Learn digital banking. Understand money. Start small. Because nobody becomes successful overnight. But every successful person starts somewhere. And maybe your somewhere starts today. With a simple zero-balance bank account. If this video opened your eyes even a little, Then don't keep this information to yourself. Comment below. Starting today, share this video with someone who needs a fresh financial beginning. And subscribe to my Zero to Profit channel for more powerful videos about money, online income, business, and building your future from zero. Because your journey from zero can start right now.